Welcome back to NC Bass, and today is tournament day. 2-on-2, us two versus them two. Blue collar fisherman and John I usually fish with. I'm kind of worried. He likes to bring in about 10 pounds, so that's what we're probably the goal for today is probably catch 10 pounds. I hope we can catch 10 pounds of fish. It's Lake Norman, so we should catch fish. I wouldn't be surprised if we can't catch at least 5 keepers, but who knows. It's gonna be a good day. Let's see if we can get this win. And last time I had 2-on-2 versus him, I pretty much whooped his butt. So 1-on-1 didn't go so well for me though. But we'll see if we can repeat from last time. Shake him off. Square bill.
Shallow here, dude.
Nice one. Don't. Got one on the bridge, guys. Didn't have the camera going. Thought I was hung up when he hit it. It didn't move. That'll help. Very skinny, but he's 2 pounds. Yes, we needed that, guys. Definitely help. We both just lost 2 fish on a crankbait, but they're hitting crankbaits, so that's good.
How deep is it?
40 feet. God. Yep. Get the net. Top waters. Oh, he went back in the tree. Now he's out of the tree. Don't jump. Don't jump.
Halfway.
He's coming. Go to this side, left side. Not even a keeper, probably. Largemouth. Nope, spot. That's a keeper. Barely, but I think he's a keeper. He's borderline. Plopper.
Got him on a popper?
Plopper. The whopper plopper. He's a keeper. He's barely a pound, but he's a keeper. Oh yeah. 15 and a half. Yeah. Got 2 keepers.
We should have 4 fish right now.
Woo! Back in history. I remember watching that, and I was pulling for Kevin Van Dam. God almighty. Told you, top waters. Is a keeper? Probably not. Yeah. Don't think he's a keeper.
Might be.
Nope. He ain't. Check him anyways. Hit him side.
Huh?
So you ain't kicked one of them in the water yet by doing that. Get the net. Told you I'd catch one on this dock. He's coming up. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Nice one. Don't jump again, please. Huge spotted bass. God, you suck. Fix the net next time before you scoop him. Then he's gonna get out again. Make sure the net's down. Oh my God, he ate it.
Did you chase it up?
No, he freaking swallowed it. Hit it on the bottom. Yes. Well, that explains why I didn't lose him on the jump. Should have lost him. He didn't eat it. That's another close to 2. We're getting there now. Let's hope he makes it, because he swallowed the hook. That's a good fish, guys. He swallowed it though. Hope he makes it. Well, midday update, guys. The boat's sinking. That's what happens when you buy an 89. I got a few years out of it. For some reason, I think my bilge pump stopped working. But we got 3 in the well. Probably they call it a forfeit on this. Boat's sinking. It ain't looking good. I just hope we make it back. Fish.
Net.
He's under something. Yep, net.
Got it.
Sinking boat, never give up. I don't think he's big enough.
Yeah, I think it might be.
Oh my gosh. Amateur hour. On the drop shot. Never give up! Sinking boat. I had to fish this dock. They were on it last week. Hopefully the boat don't sink. I'm gonna regret it if I don't have any.
Yeah, he's touching it, bro.
I mean,
It's touching it. 100%.
yep. 14 inches, guys. Huh? Put them in the live well, guys. There we go, right in the live well. In the sinking boat. If we win this tournament, I don't know how, but we're trying.
Fish are doing good, ain't they?
Yeah. Fish number 1. Number 2. Here's the little guy. This ain't much bigger. Maybe 7 pounds at the most, probably less than that. Stop moving. I'd say
6, 7.
Yeah. 6.6 something. I'm sure they got more than that. Release them. Well, the boat's sinking, guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and forfeit. We had 6.67, and ain't like we were catching them anyways. We're struggling before the boat started sinking anyways. My transom is ripping, it's letting water in, so probably be the last time on this boat. Probably a lot more pond fishing coming up. But I got a boat for sale if you guys want it. Probably give it to you for pretty cheap, but it might sink. But probably be a lot of pond fishing coming up, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and say we lost the tournament. Maybe they had a bad day. I'll see what they did. But I'm sure we lost the tournament. Pretty much forfeiting anyways. It was a struggle. And we'll see you on the next video.